If you've also been waiting for a fantastic Nokia smartphone for a long time, one that's extremely affordable in price but packed with amazing features, then today, we've brought you just that, a true flagship killer smartphone. Nokia's incredible new device is set to feature a 200-megapixel DSLR-grade camera, and the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the Nokia Lumia Max 5G smartphone. If you're excited to get your hands on this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because in today's video, we'll reveal its fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia Max 2025. This stunning smartphone comes with a massive, 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, boasting 1.5K resolution, and a super smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. On top of that, it also includes Gorilla Glass 7 protection, HDR10 Plus support, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for ultimate durability. Camera setup. According to leaks, Nokia's upcoming smartphone is set to give the iPhone a tough competition in the camera department. The Nokia Lumia Max 5G is expected to feature a triple camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8-megapixel macro camera. And for selfie lovers, it might pack a 64-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensuring blazing fast performance. And when it comes to the operating system, it runs on the latest Android 16 right out of the box. Battery backup. Battery life. No worries here. The phone is rumored to pack a massive 7300 mAh battery, with 100-watt fast charging support, and a Type-C charging port, so you'll spend less time charging and more time using it. Price and launch date. Finally, let's talk about the price. While there's no official confirmation yet, but leaks suggest it could be priced around $750. As for the launch date, Nokia might unveil this powerhouse by the end of this year.